Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mailchimp for email marketing strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Once there, look for the sign up for free button on the homepage. Click on that button to start the registration process. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a username. Next, create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your information, click on the Get Started button. Mailchimp will send you a confirmation email to verify your account. Go to your email inbox and look for the verification email from Mailchimp. Open the email and click on the verification link inside it. This link will direct you back to the Mailchimp site. Now, fill out your full name and the details of your business. Make sure to provide accurate information as it will be used in your email campaigns. Upon completing the business information, click on Continue. You will then be asked to answer a few questions about your marketing experience. Answer these questions to help Mailchimp tailor their service to your needs. After that, click Continue again. The next step is to fill in your address information for compliance purposes. Enter your address and click on Continue. Now, select the plan that suits your email marketing needs. Mailchimp offers both free and paid plans. Once you have chosen your plan, click on Continue. You'll then be taken to the campaign's dashboard. Here, you can start creating your first email campaign. Explore the options available to familiarize yourself with the platform. You can set up lists, create campaigns, and design templates. As a beginner, consider watching Mailchimp's tutorials for more guidance. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Mailchimp for your email marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.